Welcome to the Employer Education Series eSERS tutorial on payroll schedule entry. As the employer, it is your responsibility to submit a valid payroll schedule before any contribution reporting can be submitted to SERS. Today, we will be covering the most common payroll schedules, biweekly and semi-monthly. Before we log into eSERS, let's discuss the information displayed in the payroll schedule entry screen. Payroll schedule ID. This ID number is assigned to a payroll schedule by the system. It will not be required for the user to memorize. To view a current payroll schedule, you would click on this number to open the schedule. Contribution cycle code. When a new payroll schedule is created, the system assigns a contribution cycle code that is used for contribution reporting. Begin date. This is when the payroll schedule started. Frequency. There are 5 different frequencies: monthly, semi-monthly, biweekly, and other. The other pay frequency is for semi-monthly pay schedules that don't fall within the traditional guidelines for semi-monthly, or if you're running a special pay. Status. This will either be active or terminated. Once logged into eSERS, click on Payroll Schedule Entry. To create a biweekly pay schedule, click the New button. This will take you to the Payroll Schedule Maintenance screen. There are asterisks in the Payroll Schedule Information panel to indicate which fields are required. You will need to enter in the following information for a biweekly pay schedule. Your payroll schedule begin date is the first day of the earnings period. Today, I will be using May 16th of 2024. Payroll schedule end date is the last day of the earnings period for the fiscal year. Today, I'm using May 31st of 2025. You cannot extend your payroll schedule out for more than 13 months. First pay date is the first pay date for this earnings period. This field is used to calculate all future pay dates in combination with the frequency selected for this pay schedule. The first pay date is going to be May 31st of 2024. Then you will choose the frequency. This is how often the pay period occurs. You will choose biweekly from the frequency dropdown. From there, click Save, and then Populate. When you click Populate, the Payroll Schedule Details panel reflects all earnings periods and pay dates based on the information provided in the Payroll Schedule Information panel. Please review the pay dates that are populated. This is your opportunity to correct any dates that may be incorrect due to a weekend or holiday. Once you verify that all dates are correct, click Save. Then click Confirm and Submit. Once you have clicked Confirm and Submit, no changes can be made. If you realize that there is a mistake, contact Employer Services and we can adjust the schedule accordingly. To create a semi-monthly pay schedule, click New. This will take you to the Payroll Schedule Maintenance screen. There are asterisks in the Payroll Schedule Information panel to indicate which fields are required, and you will need to enter in the following information for a semi-monthly pay schedule. The payroll schedule begin date is the first day for the first earnings period for this payroll schedule. Today, we are using May 1st. Payroll schedule end date is the last day of the earnings period for this fiscal year. Today, I'll be using May 31st of 2025. Then you want to use your first pay date. Today, I will be using June 1st, 2024. Then you want to choose semi-monthly from the frequency dropdown. With semi-monthly, 2 additional fields populate, and you'll have to enter in additional information. Please note that if your semi-monthly pay schedule doesn't fall within the guidelines of eSERS, you will have to use the other frequency and manually enter in each payroll period. You want to enter in your first semi-monthly end date. Today, we are choosing the 15th. Then you want to enter in your second semi-monthly end date. Today, we are using end of the month. Once these fields have been completed, Click Save, then Populate. When you click Populate, the Payroll Schedule Details panel reflects all earnings periods and pay dates based on the information entered in the Payroll Schedule Information panel. Review the pay dates that are populated. This is your opportunity to correct any pay dates that may be incorrect due to a weekend or holiday. Once you have reviewed and verified that all dates are correct, click Save, then Confirm and Submit. Once you have clicked Confirm and Submit, no changes can be made. If you realize that there is a mistake, contact Employer Services and we can adjust your payroll schedule accordingly. Thank you for watching our payroll schedule tutorial. Please contact Employer Services with any questions you may have. Thank you for watching.